Welcome to Crypto News. Back-to-back all-time highs from AVAX, ENJ and EGLD suggest it's Altseason. AVAX, ENJ and EGLD brush off the recent drop in BTC price by posting a fresh round of all-time highs. It's been a rollercoaster week in the cryptocurrency market after volatility returned to shake up Bitcoin, BTC, price, pushing the digital asset to lows not seen since mid-October. As has happened frequently in the past, the drop in price of BTC was followed by a rotation into altcoins, and the Altseason Indicator from Cointelegraph Markets Pro suggests that the current market conditions are similar to those seen in the past when altcoins outperformed Bitcoin. Here's a look at a few altcoins that have been making steady gains over the past few weeks. Avalanche's DeFi ecosystem explodes. Avalanche, AVAX, is a Layer 1 blockchain protocol that has risen in popularity over the course of 2021 as its decentralized finance, DeFi, and nonfungible token, NFT, ecosystems have grown, thanks in part to the low-fee nature of the protocol attracting users and liquidity from Ethereum. Vortex data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro began to detect a bullish outlook for AVAX on November 5 prior to the recent price rise. The Vortex score, exclusive to Cointelegraph, is an algorithmic comparison of historical and current market conditions derived from a combination of data points including market sentiment, trading volume, recent price movements and Twitter activity. As seen in the chart above, the Vortex score for AVAX began to pick up on November 5 and reached a high of 83, just as the price of AVAX began to increase by 54.76% over the next 2 weeks. The climbing price of AVAX comes as the DeFi ecosystem on Avalanche saw its total value locked on the network rise to new highs, and this week Binance US announced plans to list the token. ENJ aims for a Polkadot parachain slot. ENJ is a protocol that operates on the Ethereum ETH network and focuses on the creation of blockchain-based gaming products and non-fungible tokens. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView shows that since hitting a low of $1.19 on September 29, the price of ENJ has blasted 213.5% higher to a daily high at $3.74 on November 19 as its 24-hour trading volume spiked 92% to $1.57 billion. The rising strength for ENJ in November comes as the ENJ ecosystem aims to secure a spot as a Polkadot parachain via the crowdloan auction for its cross-chain metaverse project Affinity. Elrond announces a $1.29 billion liquidity incentive program. Elrond is a blockchain protocol aimed at becoming the technology ecosystem for the new internet, and it uses sharding technology to enable its network to process 15,000 transactions per second (TPS) with an average transaction cost of $0.001. Vortex data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro began to detect a bullish outlook for EGLD on November 12 prior to the recent price rise. As seen in the chart above, the Vortex score for EGLD began to pick up on November 12 and reached a high of 76 around 108 hours before the price of EGLD began to increase by 30.27% over the next 3 days. The building momentum for EGLD comes as the protocol's Mayor Decentralized Exchange, DEX, officially launched alongside a $1.29 billion liquidity incentive program designed to help attract users and liquidity to its DeFi ecosystem. The overall cryptocurrency market cap now stands at $2.59 trillion, and Bitcoin's dominance rate is 42.2%. Thanks for watching. See you in other crypto news. Goodbye.